In this episode of Redone, we transform this colorful kitchen into this. Let's get started. Okay, what have we got here? A really colorful kitchen, but it needs a bit of an update. So, first things first, I think we're going to replace all the cabinets, appliances, and splashback. And I think it'll be quite nice if we return the cabinets along this wall and put the fridge here and put like a coffee cupboard on the bench over here, which will be quite cute. We're going to put a really colorful wallpaper along this wall, so it'll bring a lot of life into the kitchen. The table and chairs and KFC, definitely going. It's really blocking the flow into the kitchen, but we'll replace it with a bench seat on the opposite side of the kitchen. The bench seating is going to run along this wall, and it's going to be capped off at the end with the laundry cupboard. But there's a huge opening in this wall that leads into the living area, so we're going to partly close that off so we can return the bench seats, so it's a bit more of a cozy space. And this is the final result.